2-hour routine that helped me go from burnout to balance. Look at this. This is $600 commission, my friend, and this is just over 10,000 Rand here in South Africa. Now I want to let you know that it's possible. So what is it that I do daily that's assisted me in making $600 like this? So number one, I post 3 videos to social media on a daily basis. I create social media content. I'll do a post every now and then, maybe a story every now and then, but that's the step one. Step number 2 is I go live anywhere from 30 minutes up to 60 minutes. And then step number 3 is I just communicate with people. If I need to get on a call, I get on a call. If I need to quickly send a message, I'll send a message. I'll reply to comments. Normally I don't have to get on a call because I've got a fully automated system that works for me on my behalf, that makes me money while I'm sleeping. Now if you want to know more and you could do with an extra $600, which is just over 10,000 Rand in South Africa, then number 1 is give this video a like. Number 2, put yes in the comments for more information, and I'll email the same step-by-step proven to work blueprint and program on to you on email so that you can watch a video and you can look at that PDF document.